We should have all the building blocks for doing some more complex searches, just by combining what we've already seen. Let's imagine that we're trying to enhance our website, and we want to do some research on which pages are the most popular. Obviously, there are dedicated tools for this, but let's see what we can find with just the Splunk search. First, we want to narrow things down to just our access log. So we'll go to Source Type and select Access Combined. A lot of the results are coming from malicious attackers scanning for a vulnerability. So let's just filter down to the events with a status of 200. We can choose Status from our interesting fields list and then select 200. Let's look at just the top 10 URIs. It looks like the top one is index.html. That makes sense, but it seems a bit out of proportion with some of the other traffic. I think that might be coming from the same source as the other malicious scanning traffic. So let's filter to just index.html. And we'll take a look at client IPs and select the top client IP. So this is the top IP address that's hitting index.html. So let's see what other pages this IP address has been trying to reach. The way we can do that is by filtering out index and status. And there's a simple way to do that by adding an exclamation point to say not equal. Status not equal to 200, URI not equal to index.html. You can also use the not keyword for this kind of thing, but that can make the whole query a little bit more complex. So let's search for that. Let's look at the top URIs again. And here it looks like it's hitting quite a few other pages that are definitely not part of our website. Seems like it's scanning for popular content management systems. Now that we know that we're getting some bad traffic to index, let's exclude it from our search. So we can keep status equals 200, keep URI not equal to index.html, and let's remove client IP. So this should be more or less just the legitimate traffic at this point. Let's look at our URIs again. Now I can see the most popular page is the return policy page, followed by a couple of different pages about custom widgets. It seems like maybe the company should invest a little more resources into developing custom widgets, and the fact that the return policy is so popular might mean that they need to improve their base designs as well.